average weight of 10 or as a man and a boat is increased by this much of kg when one of the crew who weighs 58 kg is replaced by a new man. So find the weight of the new man. So first of all, like what we can do in this case, they are saying just
Um,
it increased by this much. Yes or no? So if it increased by this much, so we can say like this 1.5 kg is given to each of the men that is like in that boat. Yes or no? That's only the
yeah.
situation. So 1.5 kg times 10 we can do, and what we will be getting? 15 kg.
Fif-
Yes or no? So if you got the 15 kg, we can say this 15 kg is the extra weight that person have. Otherwise, the you can say the average will not increase. Yes or no? Average will remain
Yeah.
same if the person have the same weight. If it will be less, then average will be decreased. If it will be more, then the average will be increased. So over here, what they are saying? They are saying
So
average weight has been
58 plus
increased.
15.
So means we can say the total weight of that person will be 15 kg extra than the previous one. Yes or no?
Oh,
Yes or no? Because if it will be same, then there will be no increase. But now it is increasing by the total weight have been increased by how much kg? So you can say the total weight has been increased by 15 kg. So that 15 kg is due to what? Due to the new man that we have added. Okay. So previous man have a 58 kg weight, and then this one have a 15 kg extra weight. We get to know from the statement. So what is the original weight of the new man? The new man will be equal to how much? What you will say?
73.
Correct. So you will just add these two values and you will have your answer. So 73 kg will be the perfect one. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then if we can move to the next one, what you will say for that?
Um, which one?
What was like, which one is the next out?
Oh, 30.
Okay, 30. Just a second.
Also on my science test, I got my final results.
So how much you scored?
For online, I got 90, and for physical, I got 100.
90, but where you lose those 10 marks?
Um, it was something for an image in a plane mirror. It said that the
Hmm.
image seemed behind the mirror. That was the answer.
Yeah, image seem to be behind the mirror. That is why it is a virtual image. There is no real image we discussed, no? Yeah. Yes or no?
Yeah. So my
So what you
since
put it
the
in?
online,
What you put it on that question?
I was confused because there was no laterally inverted, so I put upside down.
Okay, okay, okay. Then any other question? Or that is just the one?
Oh, that's the only one.
Okay, no worries. Then 90 is also a decent score. Just like these minor mistakes will like help you to overcome next time. Okay, like you will remember this mistake for a longer time. Like if you will do this type of question, then like you will remember it for a longer run. So mistakes will help you in remembering things. Okay, so don't worry
Yeah.
about the score. And for the offline one, like okay, you got the full. Good. Okay, then for this one, question number 30, what they are saying. So if we read it out, they are saying the mean marks out of 100 of boys and girls in an examination are 70 and 73 respectively. Okay, then the mean marks of all the students in that examination is 71. Find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls. So we can assume that the number of boys are how many? Let the number of boys are x and the number of girls are how many? The y?
Mm.
Yes or no? So what they are asking from you? They are just asking you to find out x ratio y. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So for this question, what we can say, we can create a equation first. What's the equation? Let's assume, or like we have the average marks of boys. So can we find out the total marks obtained by the boys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
The total marks,
71.
yeah, total marks of boys will be equal to what? 70 times x, or you can say 70x only. Get it? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, in the same sense, we can find out the girls for as well. So how many marks the girls will be having, the total marks of girls?
73y.
73y. Okay. Now, according to question, like if we have to find out the average of both of them together, what we have to do? So, mean of both boys and girls will be how much? According to question, they have provided you 71, but according to us, it will be what? It will be, you can say 70x plus 73y. Just a second. Okay, 73y, and down there, what you will put? Down there, you will put the
2.
x plus y. Why the 2?
Oh,
Total number of boys and girls are these many, no? X plus y. Yes or no? That is equals to 71
yeah.
you got. Is it clear?
Oh, so it can equal to 71x plus
Correct. So the
71.
next step will be we can 70x plus 73y will be equal to 7, this x plus y whole will go in multiplication with 71. So 71x plus 71y you got. Now
Oh,
just
so
just
it's
take,
1 to 2.
okay, let's see. So if I take y to the left side and x to the right side, I will move, okay? I will move this to this side and this to this side. So what I will be having? So you can say like we will get 73y minus 71y is equals to 71x minus 70x. So this is just a x and this is just a 2y. They're asking for you like x ratio y.
1
So just take the
to
y to
2.
that denominator, so it will be x over y, and over here it is just a 1, so x over y come out to be what? 2 ratio 1. Get it?
Yeah.
So that's how we have to do this. Any confusion out there?
No.
No? So if you want to note it down, just be quick, then we will
Run.
be done. Well done. Okay, so any other question that you have a doubt?
No.
No?
But can we check the answers?
Okay, let's quickly check out the answers. Okay, give me a
Also
second.
for
Yeah,
the
just a second. Okay, so for the first one, if we quickly check, like they are saying find the mean of these. So first 8 natural numbers. So what mean you have? I think the answer will be 4.5 that you were getting. Yes or no?
yeah,
Okay. Do what? We have to find out the all the factors of 20. So what are the factors of 20 we have? Factors
1
of 20
and
are what?
20.
Okay, like do you know how to write down factors quickly? Start with the number
1.
which is which can divide 20. So it is 1. At what table it will divide 20? At 20 only? Yes or no? Then if I go with
Yeah.
2, 2 will divide 20 at 10. Then if I go with
And
3, it is not a
4.
factor. And 4 with 5, yes or no?
Yeah.
The next factor is what? Next factor is 5 itself. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But we have already written that 5 means whenever you get repeated, so just stop over there and these will be the factors that you will have.
Yeah, so it's 4.5. That's the.
Okay, let's check. How many factors we got? We got the total 6 factors. So the
Oh,
denominator will be
I
6.
solved for median.
Okay, okay. So you will add up all these values and then divide them by 6. Okay, get it? Yeah. Any
Yeah.
confusion out there? The median will
No.
be 4.5. You're correct. Okay, then for the fifth one, what answer we will have? They're just asking all prime numbers between 50 and 80. So all prime numbers between 50 and 80 are how many? The answer that they
Um.
have provided, it is 66.14. You're getting the same or different?
Wait. Um.
What did you get?
I think I solved for median.
Okay. What are the prime numbers that you have put it? Maybe like you missed out something.
53, 57, 59.
57 is not a prime number. It's divisible by 3.
Oh yeah.
53 is a prime number, 59 is a prime number, 61 is a prime number, and after this 67 will be the prime number. After this 71 will be the prime number, then 73 will be the prime number, and I think the last one is 79. These are the prime numbers that you need to take. And if you will miss out or you will add something extra to it, your answer will be wrong. Okay? So we have
Yeah.
total how many? We have a total 7 prime numbers between them. Okay, get it? So just add all these and divide them by 7. That will be your answer. Then if we
Okay.
discuss about the next one, that is second. So what answer you are having for the second? Yeah,
3.
you're getting a 3. Okay, I think for the second one, yeah, 3 is the perfect one. Good. There are total 10 families, and the addition you will get around 30, I think. Okay. For the third one, if we read it out, I'll just check the answer directly. How
Two
much you are
six
getting?
two
262 is perfect. Good. Then for the fourth one, what answer
twenty
you got?
five point six.
No, that's something different. Okay, they are saying the daily minimum temperature recorded in Fahrenheit at a place during 6 days of a week was under. So they are just asking find the mean temperature. So you just have to add all these values. Yes or no? Yep.
Yeah.
So what answer you
Oh,
get when you added them?
I think I divided it by 7 instead of 6.
Yeah, that's why maybe you're getting. So the correct answer for this question is 29.9. Okay. Just mark these questions that you are getting wrong. Now just try them out again. Okay. I think you have done them in a hurry. That might be a reason. Okay, then
Yeah,
for the fifth one,
29.
what's the value for x?
9.
Okay, the value for x is 9, perfect. And then they're asking the mean of the last three observations as well. It is coming out to be what? These three, if you will add up and divide them by 3.
45.
45 will be the summation, 45 divided by 3, 15 will be the mean, okay? Get it?
Yeah,
Okay, then the question number 6, if we quickly check. So what's the weight of the sixth boy? What answer you are having for it?
53.
53 kg is perfect. Then for the question number 7, they are asking the correct mean.
50.4.
How much?
50.4.
No, they have given something different. They have given us
Um,
39.4. They are just saying find the mean of marks scored by 50 students was found to be 39. Later on, it was
oh,
discovered that the score
39.
score was
I did
43.
50 plus 0.4.
But it will be it is increasing or decreasing.
Increasing.
It is increasing. So still, like you are adding it. So why you got wrong? So 43 minus
No, it's
23 you will
because I
do.
did 50 plus 0.4.
Okay, 20 divided by like 50 you have to do, and 20 divided by 50 will be 0.4, and then you're gonna add that in 39. Okay, get it? Because the change that you are having is just a 20, so that 20 will be divided among the 50 people now. So 20 divided by 50 will be how much? 0.4. Yes or no? And that
Yeah,
0.4, as we are increasing the new number by 43 instead of 23, so it will be added, you can say. So the average will become 39 plus 0.4, that is 39.4. Get it?
yeah.
Okay, then the question number 8, if we discuss. So what answer you're having?
38.
38 is perfect. Good. Okay, then question number 9. So new mean they are asking the same kind of question.
37.
37 is also correct. Good. Then question number 10.
108.
Yeah, perfect. 108 is also good. Then question number 11.
5.
It's just a 5. Yeah. Question number 12. How much you're having?
19.5.
19.5 you got. Good. Then the question number 30.
38.
Just a second. For question number 13, yeah, the sixth number or the excluded number will be 38. Okay, question number 14.
151.
Okay, 151 centimeter is correct. Okay, question number 15.
64.
64 is the value for that number. Okay, then 16th one, that's how much?
48.
48 is perfect. Okay, means you have done them, most of them correct. Good. Okay, then for this page, if we quickly check them out. So we have,
48.
just a second, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, question number 17 we have to discuss. So for question number 17, 32, you're getting or something different?
48.
No, they have provided 32. So there is a possibility that you have done something wrong. They are saying average weight of a class of 39 students is 40 kg. When a new student is admitted to the class, the average decreases by 40 kg. So find the weight of the new student.
Wait,
So
I do 39 times 40.
why you will do 30? Okay, that you're taking the longer way. Instead of that, you can just do 39 times 200. Yes or no? Is it possible
Um,
to do that way?
but 200 is in grams.
Okay, then what happened? You can later
Zero
on divide
point
it.
0.2.
You can later on divide it by 1000. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what we will be having? That method that you're doing is also perfect. Okay, so you can do like just 40 minus 0.
7.2.
Yeah,
7.8.
7.8 we are having, and that 7.8 is what? That
40
7.8.
plus 7.8.
No, 40
No, 40
minus,
minus
because it is
30.
decreasing, no? Yeah,
32.2.
I think it's perfect, but 32 is the answer that they have given. So I think we are doing something wrong. Okay, let's go with the original way. So the original way is what? Like 39 times 40, you will find out like the total weight first. Yes or no? So what will be the total weight?
1560.
Yeah, 39 times 40 is the total weight that we get, and it is 1560.
Oh, I think I know what I did wrong.
What's the thing?
I did 40 times 40.2 when
Now,
it's
now you have to decrease
39.
40 minus 0.2. So it is 39 point what? 39.8. So 39.8 times by what? Times by 39 again. Yes or no? Yeah. So it will
Yeah,
be how
and
much?
then
It will be how much you're having? Okay, what mistake we are doing the previous step as well. We are just only taking 39 students, but now there are total 40
so
students, no?
I times it by 40.
There are total 40 students, so you have to times it by 40, okay? Get it? Yes or no? So
Yeah,
we have to, instead timesing it by 39, we have to times it by 40. The reason, now they're admitting a new student, okay? So when they admit a new student, so the weight will,
yeah, it's
like the
plus
total,
1.
yeah. So 40 times 39.2 will be how much? I think it will be
1592.
1592. Yeah, if you subtract them, what answer you're getting? 32? Yes or no?
Yeah,
So just the subtraction of these two will give you the answer, that is 32. Okay, that is the extra weight of the sixth boy. Yeah, get it?
yeah.
Okay,
Then
this
the
way we,
next one was
next one we
73.
already discussed. And then the question number 19 if we go with.
49.
So for question number 19, how much you having?
49.
No, that's 56 they have provided. Let's check it. Okay, so what they are saying, they are just asking the, okay, they are just saying the mean of 8 numbers is 35. And
I
then
did 8 times 30. Oh, I
they are
did
removing a number
33.
now, okay? So there are only 7 numbers left. Yes or no? And the
Yeah,
new average will be how much? New average, like you can say 8 times what? 8 times 35 will be the total. Then the next step will be what? 7 times how much? 35 minus 3, that is 32. So 7 times 32. So if you
I
subtract them,
got numbers.
then you will have your answer. Yes or no? So 8 times 35 is what? It's, I
Oh, yeah, it's
think,
56.
280. And the next one will be how much? 2 to 4. So if you subtract these values, this will be the number that is being excluded. So it is 56. Get it? Yeah. Okay. Then question number 20.
61.8.
61.8 you're having. 61.8 or 61.2?
Point 8.
They have given 61.2. Okay, let's check it then. The mean of 150 items was found to be 60. Later on, it was discovered that the values of two items were misread as 52 and 8 instead of 152 and 88. So find the correct mean. So for sure, it is going to increase. Yes or no? Yep.
Yeah.
So how much it is going to increase? So you can say 52 plus 8 was the number 60. That is misread. Yes or no? Originally it need to be read as what? 152 plus 88. So how much change we have? So you can say it's 240. Yes or no? The new value is 240. The previous value that we were using was 60. So how much is the change? Just find out change. It's 180. Yeah.
Yeah.
180 will be divided among how many? 150. So we can find it.
150? Oh, I divided
Yeah.
it by 100.
That's why. So if 5 threes are 15 and then okay, no, it is not divisible by 5. So 3 fives are 15 and then 3 6 are 18 and then we can divide it like 1.2 you're having. So if you got 1.2, so answer will be already it was 60, so 60 plus 1.2 you will have. That will make it 61.2. Get it or not?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, then question number 21 we have to discuss. What answer you got for 21?
60.
Yeah, 60 is perfect. Good. 22.
36.
Yeah, 36 is also perfect. Then 23,
39.
39 is good. Then 24,
66.25.
perfect. Then 25,
45.
45 is good. Okay, means like you're getting correct answers in a row. So 26,
12.5.
12.5 is incorrect. It's just 12. What's okay? What's the mistake you did? So they are saying a ship sails out to an island at the rate of 15 kilometer per hour and sails back to the starting point at a 10 kilometer per hour speed. So find the average sailing speed for the whole journey. So do you know what's the formula for average speed?
Distance over time.
Total distance divided by total time. Okay, get it? So do we have like the total time? Do we have the total distance for us? Yes or no? No. So what we can do in this situation? How we will be calculating it? Yeah, we can assume one of the thing. So let's assume like the total distance for the from starting point to the ending point. Let's say like the person is going from this position A to the position B and they have a gap of x between them. Okay, so I've taken the total distance to be x. Get it? So if the total distance for me is x, can I calculate the time for A to B? Yes or no?
Yeah.
What formula I can use for time? Time will be equal to distance
Distance
divided
over
by speed.
speed.
Yeah, distance over speed. What's the distance I got from A to B? It's just a x. What's the speed I have? 15.
Uh, yeah.
Okay, this is the
But what
time.
about the 10?
Sorry.
The 10.
The 10 we will use for B to A. Okay, there are two times that you have to calculate. Na? So time from B to A, that is coming back. Okay, when he will be coming back, so the
Oh,
time will be what? The time will be again distance by speed.
x
So
over
distance is
10.
x and now the time is 10. Get it or not? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, next step will be what? What we can do next to it. So we have the total distance. Now we're going to use the upper formula that we have. Do we have the total time? The total distance we have, it is what? X plus x to x. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Instead of writing it as a total distance, you can write down it as distance from A to B is what? X, and distance from B to A is also what? It is also x. Okay, so x plus x, the total distance is, so we can say the total distance that we have is x plus x, that is 2x. And do we have the total time as well?
Yeah.
What's the total time? X over 15 plus x over 10. If you take out their LCM, what answer you will have?
5x over 30. So x over 6.
Okay, you got x over 6. The reason, you can say what LCM we got, 30 as a LCM we got. Yes or no? And later on if you cancel them out, so you're getting x over 6. Perfect. So can we calculate our average speed? So you will say yes, we can calculate it. We just have to divide the distance with time. So distance is 2x and we have to divide it by x by 6. So how are we going to do the division? So you can say the division sign will change into multiplication sign and this will get reciprocal. So x will cut out x and the answer that will come out to be is what? A 12. Get it? So 12 is the average speed, kilometer per hour, you can say. Is it clear?
Yeah,
Yeah. You're done noting it down? So whenever there will be a
almost.
whenever there will be a question on average speed, no? So we're gonna do this method, okay? We're gonna apply what? Total distance divided by total time. If it is not given, then you have to calculate them assuming one of the values. So always try assuming the total distance so that you can calculate total time as well. Get it?
Yeah,
You tell me when you're done.
done.
Done? Okay, then. So we are done with the question number 26. So what answer we were having? So we got the answer as 12. Yeah. Okay, then if we talk about the 27, what answer you are having?
45,
45 is perfect. Good. 45 kg is the correct answer for that one. And then for the 28,
8009,
it's what?
8009.
No. For 27, okay, no. For 28, the correct answer that they have provided, it is something 23,450. Means we need to discuss this one as well. Okay, let's continue the discussion then. So first of all, like what is given and what we have to calculate, we need to talk on that. So if we start with the scenario that is given, so they are saying like the aggregate monthly expenditure of a family was this much during the first 3 months, then the next 20,340 during the next 4 months, and then this one during the last 5 months of a year. So they have given the data for the whole 12 months. Yes or no? If the total saving during the year to be how much? This much. Find the average monthly income of the family. So what we can say?
Aggregate mean?
Sorry, aggregate means average. Okay.
Oh, I thought it was total.
No, it's average. So average of 3 months is given, average of 4 months is given, and average of 5 months is given. So if you add up all the averages together, then or like just find out the summation first, because that would be the perfect method. Okay. So what we will be doing? We will be finding total expenditure of 3 months. So it will be how much? You can say it will be 18720 times by 3. Yes or no? And in the same sense, you will be finding out what total expenditure of 4 months. It will come out to be what? It will come out to be 21708 times by 4. Then total expenditure of the last 5 months. It will come out to be
No,
what?
it's 20,340.
Oh, I put it the wrong value. So this value will be in the fifth, like for the 5 months thing. It is just 20,340. And then for this one, it is 21,708 times by 5. Get it? So we'll find out their values.
Oh, yeah, it's 23,450.
You getting it? Yeah. And
Yeah,
then like what else we can do. So we can add up all these numbers. So that is the expenditure of 12 months. And this is the given as a saving for the 12 months. So you can
saving.
multiply it by 12. Yes or no? Yeah. And then you will get the total saving of the whole year. Then add those values and that will be the, if you find out average again dividing it by 12, you will get the total average income of the monthly. Okay. Or for the family, sorry.
Yeah,
Get it? Any
yeah,
confusion out there?
no,
No. Good. Okay, then question number 29. What answer you got?
6,000.
6,000 is perfect. Okay, then for this question number 30, we just discussed. Yeah. So the last
And
question. So what's the answer for 31?
115,200.
For 31, you're having?
115,200.
Perfect. So 115,200 is the correct answer. Good. Okay, so any confusion till now?
No,
No. So no doubts and no confusions?
no.